Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily change the theme of chats in the Telegram application on your Android device. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write, friends, your comments after watching and put your likes. And let's get started, friends, and now I will show you everything in detail. Next, you need to open the Telegram application. After that, on the top left, click on the three bars. Next, you need to click on Settings. In the Settings, select the Chat Settings option. Here you will be able to see this section, and it is responsible for the topic of chats. And there's quite a few of them here. There's different colors, as you can see. You can choose the one that you prefer. And depending on what your chat theme is, the background will change. And also, as you can see, the color of your messages will change. Also here you can, for example, change the look of Telegram itself, that is, to light or to dark, if you switch. Also, you can choose more advanced settings. So you can choose, for example, a gray theme or a more blue theme and so on. That is, any theme that suits you. You can also individualize the color as you see. That is, when you go to the theme settings, here just more expansively you can see the theme that you like. After that, friends, you don't have to click anything to save those changes, because they're saved automatically, as you can see. Completely all of my Telegram is now in this pink color. And if you go, for example, to some correspondence, you can see that the background has been changed. This is such a simple and quick method, friends. You can customize the chat theme in the Telegram app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure, friends, to write your comments. And friends, see you soon.